Are you always looking for ways to make cooking easier? I have a great set of tools for you. My name is Linda Bradley and I'm with Princess House, and these are our silicone tools. You'll love them because they do have a stainless steel base, so they're really nice and sturdy, but all the heads are silicone. So you don't have to worry about any of your nonstick products. It won't damage anything. Silicone is also great. If you have plastic, you know it because plastic burns and melts and peels, and you're not going to have any of that problem with silicone. So this set is our gorgeous blue. It is not in the catalog, so you have to take it while you can. You're going to receive two spatulas. This is our healthy portion spatula, and this is our straining spatula. You're also going to receive two spoons. One is the deep spoon, and one is the shallow spoon. And then my two favorite pieces, this is the saute tool. I have multiples of these. I use them all of the time. And then our locking tongs. And again, they're non-stick and they are also straining. So this whole entire set, you can take advantage of it for just $112. That includes tax and includes shipping. You can either pay it in full or use payments. You can make 5 payments of $23.40. It ships anywhere in the United States once it's paid in full. So just reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I'll help you take advantage of it.